Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must stop and confirm you legally own this iPhone before doing anything else. Start by collecting the original receipt, the device serial or IMEI, and any Apple ID emails tied to the purchase. Once done, make clear copies or screenshots of payment records and seller contact info. This evidence is what Apple or a carrier will require to remove activation lock. You cannot lawfully or safely bypass Icloud lock without this documentation, so prioritize gathering it now. Next, contact Apple support directly and open an activation lock removal request. Explain your situation calmly and provide the documentation you assembled. Simultaneously call the carrier listed on the device. Carriers can confirm account status and assist with ownership transfer if they sold the device. Make sure your ID matches the purchase name and be ready to show any previous Apple ID emails or receipts. These formal channels are the only safe, legal routes to regain full device access. Finally, follow Apple's instructions for removal or ask for escalation if the first response fails. Request a written denial if they cannot help. If you bought the phone used, contact the seller first with your proof and ask for a refund or ownership transfer. Document all messages. If you suspect fraud or theft, file a police report and contact consumer protection in your jurisdiction. Troubleshooting tip. If a support agent asks for more documents, provide clear scans and remain patient while they verify ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.